Hi brats, so today I'm just going to walk you through my base routine while I explain what we're doing. So I'm just priming. There's a YouTuber called Heather Morehouse and she has a challenge. Her subscribers are supposed to take part in the challenge based off the prompt every month, and the prompt for this month was literature, but also since it's Black History Month, I thought that I would do something, a piece of literature related to that. So I'm doing Lift Every Voice and Sing, and I'm going to be doing eye art inspired by that, a line from that poem. So I primed with the NYX Bear With Me Cannabis Sativa Oil Primer. It's my go-to favorite right now, and I think Heather also has it. I wanted to do this challenge as soon as I heard about it because I really love Heather. I think she's one of the most unique creators on the platform right now, and probably one of the most down-to-earth ones too. And now I'm just going in with a fluffy brush and applying a bit of my matte poreless Fit Me Maybelline foundation. So yeah, I got an email actually from some newsletter I'm subscribed to about this poem called Lift Every Voice and Sing. It's actually one I've never heard of before. It's by Rosamund Johnson and James Weldon Johnson. Just bronzing. This is the Matte Essence Sun Club same brush because I'm lazy. Going with the Pro Contour LA Girl. I'm taking the lightest shade and I'm just going to set under my eyes. I took AP Literature and AP History in high school, so I felt like this would tie in well with like my knowledge of literature. Taking my Stipple sponge and my e.l.f. brow pomade, and I'm doing some freckles. This is from Spirit of Halloween, so it's not very professional. Lift every voice and sing till earth and heaven ring. Ring with the harmonies of liberty. Rejoicing, so brows are done. I'm gonna start doing my eyes now. Take this blue teal eyeshadow pot from e.l.f. and I just want to use this as like the base for my eye color. Work it in, and once it kind of warms up, it becomes this beautiful color. Next I'm taking this Milani single shadow. It's not very pigmented, but I'm taking it on a pencil brush. This is in the shade Bella Teal. I'm loading my brush up, and then I'm just kind of like, very shimmery. I'm just kind of really blending, not too neatly, but I'm just trying to match this eye shape, and I'm just cleaning that line up. Okay, so the next thing I'm doing is I'm gonna go in with these nail art things. I'm gonna push it down, take my liquid LA Girl liner, and just do this a bunch. I'm going to take it and I'm going to do my tight line. Then I'm taking the same, this is the Wet n Wild Kohl eyeliners, and I'm just taking the black to tight line. So these are like a stacked old lashes that I bought like years ago and I've been reusing because I don't have any money to buy new ones. And then this is a dollar store tube of LA Girl glue. It sucks, it's literally just latex that's safe, air quotes, for your eyes. I'm going in with my eyelash curlers. I'm just kind of squeezing. Getting my Essence Lash Princess dried up old mascara, trusty paintbrush, and Hard Candy Night Queen lipstick, which is gorgeous. I'm going to go in with my pressed glitter by Wet n Wild in the color Spiked. Make these tears sparkly. With a fluffy brush, just take a white shimmer shade. This is from the Ellen Tracy palette. Load my brush up, trying not to knock that glitter off.
That's good.
And maybe bring some in the inner corners here. We forgot to highlight, so I'm going to take my Benefit High Beam. It's a liquid highlighter, and I'm going to just blend in everywhere that you would normally highlight. My baked blush, I'm gonna load the blush up, and I'm just going to blush carefully on the apples of my cheeks and the tip of my nose because we forgot to blush. I don't know how that happened. And take some of that glitter from before.